Hey, Dan here from crypto10x.com. And in this post, we're handing out the Steam Awards for the first quarter of 2018. So we're going to give you some of the best accounts to follow on Steemit so you can follow, interact, and network with the biggest influencers on Steemit. So before we get into that, let me explain what that means to you. If just one of these influencers upvotes your post, you're slated to make tens of Steamback dollars, which equates to 4 to 5 times the price in US dollars. So these are people you definitely want to be building a relationship with, and that can ensure the future of your Steemit account. So all you got to do to see the top Steemit users is click the link just below this video if you're watching on YouTube and head over to our website and get access to the Steam Awards so you can follow each and every one of these users and you can start building a relationship with them so that they can then go and interact with your content. You'll make more money, they'll make more money, the whole community benefits. So make sure, click the link below, head on over to our Steemit and check the list of influencers. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're first in line to know when we publish new videos, and click the link below to head over to our Steemit. If you want great trade information, signals, and research, then go ahead and join our free Discord channel. It's absolutely free. The link is just below this video. You can get access today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.